Connecting a custom domain to your Odoo instance involves configuring DNS settings and updating your Odoo settings. Here's a step-by-step guide. Obtain your domain name. Purchase a domain name from a registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Access your DNS settings. Log into your domain registrar account and access the DNS or domain management settings. Update DNS records. Add an A record pointing to your Odoo server's IP address. Host or name. Type A record. Value your Odoo server's IP address. For SSL-enabled setups, also create a CNAME record pointing to your domain. Configure Odoo. Log into your Odoo backend as an admin. Navigate to Settings, General Settings. Under the Website section, enter your custom domain. Secure your domain. Use Let's Encrypt or similar service to enable HTTPS for your domain. Test and verify. Allow DNS changes to propagate. Visit your custom domain to verify the connection to your Odoo instance.